I have also used half soon. So people always say in the Dong acupuncture, Brad, if I'm treating in the foot, I'm treating a headache, I have to put the pin in super deep and kill the patient because the problem's far away, and I got to put the pin real deep, right? Because the problem's further away. Or this is Chinese needling. I need to hurt the patient versus Korean needling. Or I've got to go deep to the bone because if I don't go deep, acute superficial, chronic is deep. Those are all wonderful theories. I don't disagree with you. But I've also run out of needles by accident before in my clinic when I'm treating so many people and I forget to order needles because I don't know why I can order a $35,000 laser and I'm fine, and it absolutely pisses me off to order needles. I don't know why. That's my issue. One time I didn't have needles for a while. All I had was half Sioux needles, and I needled everybody with a half Sioux needle on every, gallbladder 31, gallbladder 30, LI4, LI11, 4406, all of them with 0.5 Soon pins. And people did wonderful. So what's that all about? I didn't see any people get any better or any worse by using a short pin on acute or chronic or long or short. I didn't see any difference. And I've also had days where I've buried pins in everybody. Everyone's to the bone. Everyone's 1.5 Soon pin straight to the bone. And if you think you can't put a 1.5 pin in gallbladder 40, I'll show you. I do it every day. Put a 1.5 Soon pin in bladder 1, stomach 1, all day, every day. I did that to everybody. And I didn't see any massive change from a long needle to a short needle.